Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about Cradle cap. If you are a new mommy, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. My little doll baby here has a little bit of cradle cap going on. If this is something that you want to learn more about, then hey, you know what to do. Keep watching. Guys, this is Donna with The Best Life and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. Cradle cap is a yellowish, patchy, greasy, scaly, and crusty skin rash that occurs on the scalp of recently born. Cradle cap is not caused by bacterial infection, allergy, or poor hygiene. Cradle cap is also not contagious. It's harmless and not medically necessary to get rid of, but if it bothers you and you find that you want to remove it, here's what I would highly suggest that you do. I would take a little teaspoon of this coconut oil. I mean, it doesn't matter which brand you use, just coconut oil. Warm it a little bit, rub it into the spot on your baby's head, and let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I would take a little brush and I would gently brush away the scales of the cradle cap. Never use your fingernails, as you may cause an infection in the scalp area itself. Never use your fingernails or try. As I mentioned earlier, you guys, I am not going to attempt to treat her cradle cap. When I treated my other three kids, my three boys who had cradle cap, when I treated them, their hair fell out. And you know, they were boys, I didn't care. But she's a girl and I don't want her to lose her hair. She just has a little bit, let me show you. She just has a little bit going on. Let's turn around and see a little something. Just a little bit going on there. And I really don't want her to lose what little bit of hair she has. The cradle cap is somewhere in the top part. I do have pictures that's going to show you exactly where it's at. The video is very hard to see, but the pictures you'll be able to see what the cradle cap looks like. As stated, I am definitely not gonna brush this thing out. I'm going to leave it alone and not bother with her hair. It does not bother her. There's no discomfort. So if it doesn't bother her, it doesn't bother me. So I'm gonna leave this thing alone. And eventually, the cradle cap will go away on its own. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I'm hoping that you loved it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Smooches until next time.